And here's a tape box like of Cherish. And was put on December 10th, 2002. So, yeah. There we go. I'm going to rewatch it, so. Now available from New Line. Following previous sounds were volunteers for the Motion Picture Association of America.
My story begins when I was 12. Something terrible happened that year.
It's hormonal. It could get worse with time.
By the time I was 20, I looked like 8.
My brother knows this guy might be right up your alley.
Tell me, I could use someone up my alley.
I hope you don't think me daft. I'm teaching my table manners.
The guy's a 35-year-old virgin. Plus, he has an extremely small...
Ergo, if I can teach table manners to mice, then I can teach them humans. The ape is our closest biological relative. A single chromosome separates us.
Did you see that?
Do you know what truly separates us? Civilization. Good morning. We're your mommy and daddy while you're here.
You taking that poor uncivilized creature and turning him into a human being?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
You'd be taking away his freedom.
Freedom is just another word for nothing left to lose, love. I got a crow. I got a crow. Remember, when in doubt, don't ever do what you really want to do. It's such a treat to be out and about.
How is everything?
Fantastico.
Glad you like it. Chef will be very...
No!
So will that be all?
This spring,
To be taken from the depths of depravity and ignorance
Fine Line Features presents
and raised to the heights of culture.
Tim Robbins,
We're all going to be rich and famous.
Patricia Arquette,
I'm going to make you free.
Reese Ifans,
Use the vernacular. I wanted me some of that.
Miranda Otto,
I love my boogie very much, monsieur.
and Rosie Perez.
What is that, something sexual?
Nature is a funny and complex thing.
You know.
Human nature.
Excellent work, Puff. Yahoo!
Home on DVD. Coming soon from New Line. Following previous sounds were volunteers for the Motion Picture Association of America.
Victor Taransky has discovered the perfect actress.
Who is Simone? We know so little about her.
Can't hide her forever. Simone appears only when I want her to appear.
She's beautiful. She's talented.
Why are we here?
She's virtually perfect.
The star is digitized.
Are you ever going to tell the truth about me?
I'm going to tell the truth about you after your next picture.
I've never really seen Simone up close. Have you?
I will be checking in a very special guest. She must not be disturbed at any time for any reason whatsoever.
Is that you, Simone? I'm right here, beside you. I borrowed Victor's car. My God.
What do? Do you keep her locked in a box somewhere?
I love you. LA.
What happened when we dusted that whole hotel suite? What about the fingerprints?
Nothing.
You're going to get in a lot of trouble, Mr. Taransky.
Why do you have to bring that up?
Comes a story about the illusion of reality.
The winner of Best Actress, Simone!
I want to thank my co-stars and the studio, of course. Thank you.
Why didn't she thank you?
Did she?
No.
and the lies that have a life of their own.
What's the matter, Victor? You look so sad.
Gonna be a little change in plans, Simone.
See if they still love you after this.
I swear, I made Simone.
Victor, she made you.
Destroy you. From the creator of The Truman Show.
Don't you love me anymore?
She's indestructible. Al Pacino. Simone.
Never stop believing!
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at New Line's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz Now, your direct line to New Line.
DVD. See it. Buy it. Own it. Watch it once. Watch it twice. Spend hours watching extras beyond the movie and enter the world of stars and directors and the magic they make. Build a collection for the family. With over 9,000 movies to own, it's the most convenient way to watch a movie. DVD. And now, our feature presentation.
This film is a modified surgical version. It's format for your TV.